And the Most High said, fear not, for I am with thee. I will bring thy seed from the east and gather thee from the west. I will say to the north, give up unto the south, keep not back. Bring my sons from far and my daughters from the ends of the earth. Everyone that is called by my name, so Rastafari.
Because he is the King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering every tribe of Judah, elect of John, light of this world. And he's our shepherd. And a sheep, never without a Messiah, a shepherd.
Mama Africa.
Community, people and a whole, nation, love, joy of the nation. And out of the nation came engineers, musicians, like Donald Dennis, Melbourne Miller, Richard Bramwell, Robert Murphy, Ainsworth, and Judgement Yard artists, inspiration normally. They all helped to put this album together. They've conduced a lot and it's well worth.
My help coming from Jah, which made heaven and earth.
It's very important because it's knowledge being given and for you to accept and pass it and disseminate to the nation. And the role of Mr. Philip Burrell, Fatis, father, same way, is to get the message out to the people. And Fatis had blessed us with that platform, that medium, Exterminator label, through which we could get our songs composed and being released through Exterminator label. So it's a replica of the King, same way. So we continue the duty, so we fulfill the same office of producing songs, and it's good for you to produce your own album as an artist also.
Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Wicked Babylon and your time has come.
Speaking on the level of marketing, our culture, it's really beautiful, but our culture bashes against slave master. And our culture, attitude, characters, principles, precepts came out in the music. And our precepts and principles are to unite the people with such and ward off the wolves and the enemies who are trying to really come up on the people. So then again, our culture stands out, and it's against Babylon that brought our people into slavery, and that's where the root of all our, I would say, lyrical content came from, precepts and principles of our culture. So speaking on that part, I would say, in my opinion, that's one of the main reasons. The reason why you should get the Messiah, it's another great album from Sizzla Kalonji, produced by Sizzla himself, because you've been wanting a lot of songs from Sizzla, and here are songs being produced by Sizzla himself with the help of other youths from the community who are really talented, and it's just another beautiful album for the nation. I think you should go out and get it.
Hey, I will lift my eyes unto the King. Come, let's go with my
Clearly, this is a beautiful album done by Sizzla Kalonji. It's being dubbed the Messiah, and we speak of the Messiah as the conquering lion tribe of Judah, Mashiach. You would say Jesus Christ, but we say Yahshua Mashiach. And in this time it's David lineage, so we know that it is His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile King Selassie. Lift mine eyes on the hills where the sun burn red and the wind blow chill. Whoa, 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 lift mine eyes to the hill. And Babylon going down still. Lift mine eyes to the hills where the sun burn red and the wind blow chill. Yeah, 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 lift mine eyes to the hills. Pick up yourself, it's a Sizzla Kalonji from Judgement Yard. Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I, Jah, Rastafari, the Messiah. Get it. Bless him.